How HydroFLOW optimizes cooling towers. Cooling towers expel heat through an evaporation process that increases the water hardness and causes scale to form. In addition, cooling towers utilize air from their surroundings to cool the water. This process introduces pathogens into the recirculating water system, which is a perfect breeding ground for bacteria and algae to thrive and accumulate as biofilm. Scale and biofilm accumulation reduces heat transfer efficiency in heat exchangers, chillers, and condensers, which increases energy usage. Most cooling tower operators address this issue with hazardous chemicals, increased blowdown, and side stream filtration, which reduces equipment life and increases water usage. The following installation examples demonstrate how HydroFLOW optimizes the performance of cooling towers. This project involved cooling tower optimization at one of the buildings of a large commercial complex in Georgia. Due to high water costs, the cooling towers were operated at high conductivity to reduce water usage, which resulted in severe scale and biofilm problems. HydroFLOW units were installed indoors on the recirculating water loop of the cooling system prior to the chillers. Bio counts reduced from 100,000 CFU per milliliter to under 1,000 CFU within a week, while scale and biofilm accumulation in the cooling tower and chiller tubes significantly decreased. With an impressive ROI of roughly 6 months, the customer decided to install additional HydroFLOW devices throughout the complex. A 5.2 million square foot factory in Texas was facing water shortages and wanted to achieve water savings by running the cooling towers more efficiently. HydroFLOW units were installed on each of the 8 chillers, and the old wasteful chemical dosing system was replaced with a new remote monitoring system. After a 6-month optimization period, the chemical usage was reduced by 75% and blowdown water usage decreased by over 50%, while the chiller tubes and cooling tower infrastructure showed no sign of scale or biofilm accumulation. A 500 megawatt combined cycle power plant in the U.S. Midwest was looking to reduce chemical and cooling water usage in their 8-cell cooling tower system. To achieve these goals, a custom I-72-inch HydroFLOW unit was installed on the recirculating cooling system at the inlet to the condenser. HydroFLOW helped the power plant achieve a 48% blowdown water reduction, which equals roughly 60 million gallons per year, while chemicals were reduced by over 70%. No indication of scale or biofilm in the condenser or cooling tower during inspections. Thank you.